from Mourne We're in Omeath today and we're going to show you a balustrade that we installed for the clients here. So the customer first got in contact with us back in 2021, I think it was. They had an existing railing around here, a wooden railing, but they felt that it wasn't quite maximising the patio to its full potential because of obvious reasons. It was blocking the view. So we sat down with the customer and agreed that a glass balustrade would be the best option for this particular area. On a wet day now, you can sit in the house and nothing's obstructing your view. A wooden structure, when it's exposed to elements, it's never really going to last forever. The materials that we used in this job, posts were actually galvanised and powder coated posts, and the glass infill panels is a lifetime job. The client here had an ideal situation where they had a block wall for coring into to fit the posts, and across the balcony here that you see, it's steel, so we could bolt the post to that, so they were ideal here for the post and glass option. We went for the blacks for simple reasons, being like they have different things throughout the house that are black. Their downspouts are black, they have a balcony at one other end of the house which is black, so everything again tied in with one another. So a year later, the customer was preparing an area for a hot tub that you can see. They were happy with the balustrade that we carried out on the previous phase of the job, so they wanted basically exactly the same in this particular area. So if you have a need for an external balustrade, if you're in the planning stages, or even if your patio is already at that stage where you need a balustrade, contact us at info@mournecraft.com.